Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your marketplace with OfferUp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your marketplace with OfferUp, start by creating a secure account. Download the OfferUp app from your device's app store. After downloading, open the app and tap on Sign Up. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your OfferUp account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the icon in the top corner. Complete your profile with accurate information to build trust. Add a profile picture that clearly shows your face. This helps buyers and sellers feel more secure when interacting with you. Now, set up your payment method through the app settings. Link a bank account, debit card, or credit card for secure transactions. Next, familiarize yourself with the OfferUp community guidelines. Understanding these rules will help you avoid potential issues. When listing items, take clear, high-quality photos. Accurate representations of your products help establish trust. In your descriptions, be honest and detailed about the item's condition. Set a fair price based on research of similar items in your area. When communicating with buyers or sellers, keep all conversations within the app. This ensures your messages are documented for safety. If you encounter suspicious behavior, report the user immediately. Use the block feature to prevent further communication with problematic users. Before finalizing a transaction, suggest meeting in a safe, public location. Consider bringing a friend along for added security. Once a sale is complete, leave honest feedback for the other party. This helps maintain a trustworthy community on OfferUp. Always stay vigilant and trust your instincts during transactions. By following these steps, you can create a safer marketplace experience on OfferUp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.